Hi, my name is Leah Kendro, and I'm a Partner Solutions Engineer here at Hyperscience. Today I'm going to walk you through how to process wealth management case documents quickly and accurately to improve your customer experience using intelligent document processing. Intelligent document processing, or IDP, allows you to minimize manual work while processing documents both quickly and accurately. Let's jump in. Here you will see the submissions page. This is where all the documents will be submitted into Hyperscience. Typically, this is going to be done in bulk via our connectors, but today we're simply going to manually upload these documents by simply dragging and dropping the files in and hitting upload. Let's go ahead and take a look at the documents that I'm submitting. The first document here on the left-hand side is a W-9 tax form, and we can see that the quality of the document is quite poor, and it includes handwriting as well as some crossouts. The document here on the right-hand side is an account application document. We have handwriting. We also have quite poor quality on this document as well. This page particularly is pretty skewed. And as we submit that into Hyperscience, you'll notice we get a unique submission ID. We get a date and time stamp, as well as a status. And the status currently is processing. That means at this point, we are effectively doing three different things. The first thing is classifying the document. You can see we match this direct account application form as well as the W-9. The second thing that we're doing is extracting out the information from the document. And the third thing that we're doing is potentially creating supervision tasks where effectively the machine is raising its hand and it's asking a human for help. So we'll go ahead and start with the supervision tasks. You can see that the user interface is built directly into our platform. It's very user-friendly. We get a zoomed-in image of the field that the machine needs help with, and then we get a blank text box to go ahead and assist the machine. So I'm going to go ahead and type in 60176 and hit submit. We're done with the first document. And once this is done processing, it's going to take us to the submission overview page. So we can see across these two documents, there were 101 fields, and the machine was able to automatically transcribe 99% of those fields, and the human in the loop, or in this case myself, stepped in to assist with the other 1%. Let's go ahead and take a look at the document here. So this is the second document that we submitted through. In production, no user is actually going to look through this field by field, but just to go ahead and highlight a couple pieces of extraction here. The first one is the city, Chicago. You can see that it is quite hard to read, especially if you look character by character. But because we give the machine context by leveraging our data types, the machine has seen hundreds of thousands to millions of different addresses. It's able to take that context and confidently extract out Chicago. If we scroll down further and we go to the next page, you can see when it comes to things like checkboxes, we're pulling through a Boolean value of either true it is checked, or in this case, false it is not checked. Coming to the last page here, if you recall, this page that we submitted in was of very poor quality. It was skewed, but during our classification process, we actually corrected the image, as you can see here. When it comes to things like signatures, we're pulling through a Boolean value similar to our checkboxes of true it is signed or false it is not signed. Now, if we go ahead and we look at the second document here, our W-9, again, the quality was very poor, but our machine was able to go ahead and correctly transcribe that information anyway. Taking a look at this, Christopher Thomas Knight, Thomas in particular is very hard to read, especially for a human, but you can see that our machine did correctly transcribe that. The second field, you can see that there's a crossout in the middle. Our machine understands intent, so it ignored that crossout and only transcribed the relevant information here. When it comes to dates, you can see that it's extracting out the raw value and then going ahead and normalizing that. And it's normalizing it to the defined data type that we set here. So regardless if somebody wrote out the word November or wrote it out as 11, the machine will transcribe that as the raw value and then further normalize that. From an output standpoint, we provide a JSON. It's going to be a structured file that's going to be a structured file that's going to provide you with both the raw as well as the normalized information. It's that easy. I hope you were able to get a better understanding of how our wealth management customers use our IDP solution to process case documents to better serve their customers. If you have any questions or if you'd like to learn more about how HyperScience could help your organization, you can reach out to us at